Hi, this is Frank for Walking for Health and Fitness, and today's tip of the day is on doing modified push-ups if you're just starting out doing body weight exercises. So in my book, Fitness Walking and Body Weight Exercises, I have my core 4 exercises. They are push-ups, lunges, squats, and planks. Now, push-ups are a total body workout, and they're difficult to do if you've never done them, if you're just starting out. So modify it by raising your hands onto an elevated surface, such as the back of a bench or a guardrail at the side of the road, okay? By starting with a modified push-up, it's a little bit easier. Then you can progress to being on the floor, on your knees, doing a push-up, okay, modify it that way, and then to a regular full body push-up. Push-ups complement walking so well because you do not need any equipment or a special place to perform them. Just stop at a safe location anywhere on your walk and start your push-up set. Now, I've done push-ups on sidewalks, driveways, and I've been several feet off the street so any car pulling into the driveway sees me. On lawns of homes I walk past. I've done them on hiking trails, running tracks, and at the beach. You can even do them in a shopping mall while mall walking if you don't mind the strange looks you'll get. The basic push-ups work the chest muscle group, the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor, the side of the chest, the serratus anterior, the shoulder muscle group, the deltoid major and deltoid minor, the upper and middle back muscles, latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapezius muscles. Push-ups work the arm muscles, the biceps, triceps, and forearm muscles. Push-ups work the buttocks muscles, the gluteus maximus and medius, and the leg muscles, the hamstrings, quads, calves, and shin muscles. So in effect, push-ups are a complete exercise. They work the total body. So if you like the tips of the day videos, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and the bell notification. Also, share this with your family and friends. This is Frank, walk on.